Hello everyone, in this short video series I will show you how to create an IEEE overleaf or latex format details in short. First of all, I have to mention that you can find overleaf components in detail in their official website, which I attach in the descriptions section of this video. However, they can sometimes be challenging to comprehend. Therefore, in this video series, I will explain you how to implement them. And lastly, I also attach the public overleaf link, which you can go ahead and take the code which I showed in this video. Alright, let's get started. First, we will start with the affiliation section of the IEEE template. As you know, when we open the IEEE format template, it shows us by default this kind of affiliation, column by column. This kind of affiliation, it is by default. However, if for some reason you have difficulty to use this version or you need another row by row, I will show you the two alternative versions how to implement another kind of affiliation. So firstly, I will go ahead and paste the code which I found before and paste it here to see the result. And I want to repeat that I attach the code here so you can go ahead and take and use it. So let's compile and see. And I quickly select the foot size as well. And voila. So we see that our affiliation section is row by row, not column anymore. So you can go ahead and write our first and last author name, your university, and your state country details. And in addition, if you want to denote first and second authors as numbers, first and second literally, so there's another option which I will show you that to you quickly. So I come here and paste it quickly. And let's see. So voila. Here we see that it is row by row, but also first and second author detail is denoted here, which it can be useful for you and absolutely accepted by IEEE format. This and another version, this row version which I mentioned previously is absolutely accepted by IEEE. So hopefully it helps you. See you in the next video series.